It's like, do you hear that? And it's distracting me. Hi friends, it's your girl Tia. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. Today we are going to be doing a FabFitFun unboxing. I recently subscribed to FabFitFun after thinking about it for a long time, and I thought it'd be really fun to unbox it here with you on my channel. But this video has been a hassle. So I filmed this 3 days ago when I first got the box, and then yesterday when I sat down to finally edit the video, my computer did not recognize the file. So basically that video's gone that I filmed the other day, which I was really sad about because I was really excited to like unbox this box in real time with you on my channel. But I didn't want that to discourage me from still posting this on my channel. So I'm still going to show you all of the products that I got, and I guess this is going to be more of a review rather than an unboxing. So I guess let's get started. So a FabFitFun box costs $49.99 and it is quarterly. So basically you get a box for every season, so summer, fall, winter, and spring. But when you first sign up, there's a lot of coupon codes out there that get you $20 off, which is what I did for my first box. So I paid $29.99 for my first box. And in every box comes this little magazine that has all of the different products in there and how much they're worth. So in here it says the total value of your box should be anywhere from $269.95 to $467.95, depending on your selection, because there's certain products that come in all the boxes, and then because you get to customize your box, the price of those things vary a little bit. So as I show you the products, I will let you know how much they retail for, and then at the end of the video we'll add them all up and I'll tell you how much the products were worth compared to what I paid, which was $29.99, plus like shipping, and I don't know if it was shipping, but there was like taxes and some other things. I think overall I ended up paying like $33 or something like that, which is really inexpensive for a box that's this large. So this is the summer box. This is what the box looked like that it came in. It's very fun and florally and summery, and inside it just had like the tissue paper covering all the different things. And these mother freaking things that I hate, they're all over the floor now, but I just spilled them. I hate those things. So I guess I'll just show you all the different things that I got in my box. I'll start with the 3 things that I got to specify for my box. The way that FabFitFun works is if you subscribe and you are an annual subscriber, so you pay for your first box and you intend to keep on subscribing for the remaining boxes throughout the year, they let you customize your box. So there's 3 different things I think in every box. I'm not super familiar with it. So we'll get started off with the first item. I'm going to show you the 3 items that I picked out to customize for my box first. So the first thing is this Jennifer Zuner. I'm not sure if that's how you say it, but that's how I'm going to pronounce it because I don't know any better. Jewelry. And it is just this little dainty double star necklace. And I just thought it'd be a cute little accessory. I'm not super huge on accessorizing just because I don't really know how, but I figured this was like a cute little simple way to kind of start accessorizing. And that necklace retails for $50, so we're already well over what we paid for the box just with the one necklace, so we're off to a good start. The next thing that I got wasn't really something that I particularly wanted, though now I'm glad that I got it, but at the time I wanted to pick something else, but because I waited so long to order my box, the box was almost sold out. So I got this product just because it was the only one left available. All of the other products had already sold out. And it is this little kimono by the brand Spiritual Gangster, and it's just this little floral kimono, and it's got like little half sleeves, and it just ties right here around the waist. And this kimono retails for $30. So the final product that I picked for my box that I got to customize is this XO Sienna felt message board, and it's just classic. It's black with like this wooden outline, and it comes with white letters, and then it has like these little emojis and different shapes and symbols. And I just got this because I've always wanted a letter board, but I never really brought myself to buy one. So I think what I'm going to do is put it back here on this little stand that I have for my records, and use it to put like song lyrics and stuff of different records that I'm spinning. And this letter board retails for $35. So I actually think I lied to you. I think that there's 4 things that you get to customize, but one of them I chose to be a mystery item. And I found this out after I unboxed everything because I couldn't find this product in the magazine and the price of what it was. And it is a Grown Alchemist vanilla orange peel hand cream. So all I can assume is that this was my 4th customization item, and I hit give me a mystery item because I don't exactly remember. But this hand cream does smell really, really nice. Like, I'm just gonna put some on right now. It's like a little orange creamsicle. In the magazine, it says that the mystery items are worth at least $24. So I did just go and look up this brand on Google, and I couldn't find this exact scent, but for this same size of tube in a different scent, it retailed for $27, so that's what we're gonna put the price of this as. So the next 5 items that I have are available in every box, I believe, except for one. One of the things that I have right here is for select members who have an annual membership on the FabFitFun website. So we'll start with that one. That is this Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. On the box, it says that it can be used for chapped lips, for cuts and burns, basically to hydrate anything. On the back, it says apply liberally to dry or damaged skin, lips, and nails to aid in healing. When I first unboxed this box, I had burned my arms on some soup at work. And so I put this balm on those burns to kind of test it out, and it did soothe the burn. So if anything, I will definitely be using this as like a healing burn cream because I know that it helped with that. And this balm retails for $30. The next thing I have are these Invisibobble traceless hair rings. These are literally everywhere, but you can never have too many hair ties. I lose them all the time, and these are really nice because they hold your hair in a nice tight ponytail, but they don't crease as much. They're more comfortable. They don't pull on your hair like a normal elastic does. And then it just came in clear and nude, and it comes with 6 of them, and this retails for $16. The next product that we have is this exfoliating foot mask by the brand Wish. It says that it is used to smooth and soften and provide intense hydration. I haven't had a chance to give this a try yet, but I'm really excited about it. I am a server, so I'm on my feet a lot, like the entirety of work. So my feet are always like either hurting or they get really dry sometimes. And so I'm really excited to give this foot mask a try. This foot mask retails for $32. The next product that I have, I did get a chance to use the other day, and it is the Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I used this for the first time the other day and I absolutely loved it. It was very refreshing to my face. It's one of the masks that when you put it on, it kind of tingles a little bit, so you can tell that it's really working and it's really getting into your pores. And I liked that it dried down relatively fast. This was dry in about 10 minutes, and so it was relatively quick. And afterwards, my face felt very, very soft and just kind of like refreshed. So I definitely would recommend this. I like this a lot. This specific face mask retails for $39. And the last product that I got in this box that I've literally used every single day since I've unboxed this box is this Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. It is a hydrating rose facial spray. So basically just like a refreshing spray, and it smells like rose. It's very refreshing. We're gonna pop some on right now. It smells delicious. It feels nice and cool and refreshing, like I've had my makeup on for 9 hours since I've been at work all night. And that just feels so nice. Like it just feels nice, and you can just go to town with it and just spray it. This spray retails for $26. So that is everything that I got in my FabFitFun box. I think this box is great, and I am actually kind of upset with myself for not biting the bullet and subscribing to it sooner, because all of these products were awesome. So I totaled everything up, and the final total for the products in this box, what they retail for, is $285, which is literally insane to me that I paid $30 for this box and I got almost $300 worth of products inside of it. So 100% satisfied with this purchase. I wasn't intent on keeping my membership after I got this box. I was going to keep it until I got the box, and then once I got it, depending on whether I was satisfied or not, was going to decide whether or not I was going to keep it. And I am very, very satisfied. I will use all of these products, and I will use them a lot. I've already used them, and I've only had the box for 3 days. So if you're thinking about subscribing to FabFitFun and you are like a beauty, health, and wellness person, and that is stuff that is important to you or that you love getting, I highly recommend this box because you get some very top tier products for such an inexpensive price. And you also get to try a bunch of new products that maybe you wouldn't have. Overall, I give this box like a 10 out of 10. There's not anything in this particular box that I don't think I'm going to use. 100% recommend it. I don't know how often I can say that in this video before you understand that I like this box and I recommend this box. But yeah, so that's going to be the end of this video. If you liked it, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to stick around and see what other videos I decide to make on this channel and see any future unboxings that I decide to do, you can go ahead and hit subscribe down below. I love unboxings and I love subscriptions, so there are a ton of things that I'm thinking of getting a subscription to that I've wanted to forever, just so that I can film it and show it to you, because I love watching unboxings. So you'll definitely want to hit subscribe if that's something that you like to watch or you're looking forward to watch. You can also turn on post notifications if you are already subscribed to me, and that'll notify you when I post videos, which is every Monday. Once I get more into the swing of things, I think that I might start doing 2 videos a week, but for right now, Mondays are the day. So watch out for Mondays if you want to watch my videos. But until next time, this is it, I guess. I'm really awkward at ending these, so bye!